Back to our channel Editing 24/7. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change letters spacing in Canva. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So let's say I want to change the letter spacing of this word over here, objective 1. So at the top corner, at the top bar, you can see various options like the Canva font, the text color, and here goes the alignment list, and there you go, the spacing. Simply tap in that, and here you can see the letter spacing. If you can simply adjust it like this. You can make it narrower or like more border, maybe, and this will do. There's another option, anchor text. That means that you can simply do like this, and yeah, this is the one. You can simply tap in the arrow and make the spacing. Put it down, you can simply narrow it down. There goes the anchor text box. So this is how I change the lettering spacing of the letter. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.